Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping deliberately. Cleanse the area with mild soap and water, then pat dry so the cream absorbs. Once done, inspect the label for concentration and warnings. This tells you how much to use. Next, squeeze roughly a 0.5 pea-sized amount onto your fingertip and apply a thin layer to the target area. Rub gently until it disappears. Make sure to avoid open wounds and wash your hands afterward unless they are the treated area. Continue by creating a consistent routine. Apply once or twice daily per the directions and stick to the same time so results are trackable. When applying, massage lightly for about 10-15 seconds to aid absorption and distribute the active ingredient evenly. Pressure should be gentle, not abrasive. Make sure clothing over the area is loose to prevent rubbing off, and do not cover with bandages unless instructed. Keep a short log, date, time, amount. This helps you spot patterns. To finish, check the treated area regularly for the first 48-72 hours. Look for increasing redness, burning, swelling, or unusual pain. Those are signs to stop. If you notice a severe reaction, cease use immediately and contact a healthcare provider. In many cases, short-term irritation subsides, but prolonged symptoms need evaluation. Finally, store the cream at room temperature with the cap tight and keep it away from children. Troubleshooting tip: if absorption is poor, reduce product amount and reapply after 5 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.